What's going on, guys? It's been another busy week. I've had a lot of water meters, a lot of old water meters, some dating back to '96. Yeah, so there's a few different models. Obviously they're broken, full of water, and they've been replaced. So there's a few different types. Obviously we've got this type here, the two ends on it. Here's another meter here with the tap on it. As you can see, the meter's just here. We're just going to do a video on turning this dirty brass into clean #1 brass. This is another model. You get these little lugs here that you hit with a screwdriver to spin to undo, but being the age of these ones and full of water, they just don't want to come off, as you can see. So we're gonna just cut one open, and we're gonna pull all the plastic out and clean it all up. Alrighty, so I'll just get the grinder ready and we'll chop one up. Okay, so I thought we'd start with this one here. I'm gonna just basically make a cut from this edge along down, and then same on the other side, just like that. And then we should be able to just pop that off, remove the plastic center, and we'll have some clean brass. Alrighty. Okay, guys, sorry about the noise. It was a little bit noisy. Okay, so there we go. You've got your two. Oh, let's pull a little filter out. Okay. So you got your two clean bits of brass, bit of plastic, and the meter. Should just be able to pop these out. I may have to put a little bit of pressure on this end here. Sorry about the train, guys. Can be a little bit noisy. Okay. So I'm just going to try and remove this inside, but I think I'm just going to smash it, just like so. Just like so. Push this bit of plastic out. Okay. Still got some plastic just in the end here. I am just going to try and smash it out. When in doubt, smash it out. Isn't that the saying? When in doubt, smash it out. Wow. My goodness. I might try and push it in the other way. No. Alright. Alright, guys. It's a clean brass from a water meter. I'm just going to do another one. That one was a little bit fidgety. So we'll do another one and we'll just see. It's a little bit easier this time to clean it up. Okay, so we'll just cut another one. Just pop all the plastics out. Alright, same deal again, just smash, 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 smash. There we go. I think that's the way to do it. To just smash. Most scrap jobs work out well if you just smash them. Isn't that right? Alright, I think we might try a different way to get this one out this time. I think we may try from the inside. I don't know. Maybe you guys have a better way of doing these. Honestly, too sure with these. These ends anyway. It's definitely going to go out the tail end like that. I think we're just going to do it like that again. I think it was the easiest way of doing it. So very tricky to get out, because very tricky to get out. You guys have an easier way to get these out, let me know. At the moment, I am struggling. See this one. This one is being difficult. Okay. Okay, guys, it's coming. There we go. Got it. Okay. Got it. Let's get the trusty multi-grip, vice grip, fucking turn-ups, whatever you want to call them. And there's our clean brass. Now, I don't know if it's worth doing these if you've got one or two, but I've got about 80 kilos to do, so I think it's worth it. Now these ones, because you can't get the cap off, the only thing you can do is to smash the units out from the bottom. Can be a bit difficult and challenging at first, but once you get it, you get it, you know. Okay, so we'll just get into another one. Oh, Jesus. Definitely seen better days. Definitely. Okay. Okay, let's tack this fucker with the grinder. It is brass, so we're winning there. Oof. Oof, what is that? Melted plastic. We don't like to see that. Okay, nice bit of brass. We'll clean that up. We'll get the paint off it, or most of it, so it's nice and clean. This, however, I'm not. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's come out nicely. Get a little trough out. Sometimes it's easier just to go bang. Okay, isn't that interesting? It's got like a water pump in it. You could almost use that on your boat as an impeller. Yeah. So here's another clean, semi-clean. Once we take this one out, I think these are the worst things, to be honest. These pieces. I think they're the worst. So I'm gonna try and just pull that out. There we go. That worked quite well. Hit it again. Okay, so we've got there we go. Oh, we've got one bit in here. It still remains. And there we go. Another clean meter. So we'll just do this. Just do this last one. See if we can get this undone. I don't think we can. It's okay. I might just try and get the pipe wrench on it. Just bear with me, guys. Okay, we're back, and we have gotten into it. Okay, do this. Okay. It's literally that simple, guys. Just quick incision. You know, I'm not gonna put them in dirty. I don't know, I find that to be a bit stupid, to be honest. Why you wouldn't just clean them up. Yeah. You know, I also wanted to, well, I was going to do a video on oh, excuse me, on the dials. These dials here, they're actually copper. They're actually made of copper. The face is glass. It is actually glass. But upon cleaning them up, we have some nice number 2 copper. So, water meters definitely doing, guys.